Hey, my name is Thea and I'm from Denmark.
Hi, my name is Clara and I'm from Brazil.
And we are studying at the Youth Initiative program in Sweden. And in 1 week we're going to Scotland to the Findhorm Eco Village for a 1-month internship participating in a course on permaculture.
Yeah. Findhorm, it's a spiritual community and also eco village. They've been there for 50 years and they work with permaculture, with organic agriculture, with
alternative education and deep democracy, and renewable energy. And
they have their own currency. They see money as something different and something that put people together and not apart.
And in general they have this very holistic approach to life where they see everything as being interconnected, human with nature, and us with each other, and this creates
Create unity.
Yeah. And this we would very much like to be inspired by, so we can bring it into the community we are living in now, and both in Jip but also in Jana.
Because we see that here there is a lot of nice initiatives, they're popping up, and they have like really awesome things, like they have local food, they have restaurants and they have like local currency, but it's like pretty much
separate.
In Findhorm they have the same things, but it's like it's one community and they're together and they're part of the same thing, and they see each other as part of the same thing.
So we're looking very much forward to learning a lot, and we think it will benefit a lot of people, and we also see it as a important step in a self-development.
In our path, exactly. It's been something that I've been dreaming about for a long time, to be part of a place that looks at life in such a way, in such a beautiful way, and that's what we want to be in our future. And in our almost 1 week present, it's coming,
and we're so close,
so close, and also in the monetary sense.
We are. We have almost a whole course paid, but we still need the second payment, which is which we haven't succeeded in yet to get gather this money, and that's why we're asking for your help.
We really appreciate it. It would help us to get there and to accomplish our dreams, to become reality, and then to bring it back and to spread it in the world.
And make a lot of cool projects out of it. So read our profile for more information, and
talk to us, ask. We're here and you're there, and maybe we can be together.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Tusind tak.